Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the luxurious world of the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. With stunning new features, advanced technology, and powerful engine options, this SUV is sure to impress. Let's explore what makes the Nautilus a standout choice in the luxury SUV market. The 2025 Lincoln Nautilus continues to bridge the gap between the compact Corsair and the three-row Aviator. Starting at $53,000, it offers three distinct trims: Premier, Reserve, and Black Label, with prices reaching up to $76,160. Each trim offers a unique blend of luxury and technology, making it a versatile choice for any driver. Under the hood, the Nautilus is equipped with a standard 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking more power, there's an optional hybrid upgrade that boosts performance to 310 horsepower. And with all-wheel drive as standard, you can tackle any terrain with confidence. Fuel efficiency is key for many buyers, and the Nautilus does not disappoint. The standard engine offers an EPA rating of 21 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway, while the hybrid option impresses with 30 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway. Whether you're commuting or hitting the open road, you'll enjoy fewer stops at the pump. Need to tow? The Nautilus can handle up to 1,750 pounds, perfect for small watercraft or ATVs. And with spacious seating for 5, the interior boasts 43.1 inches of rear legroom and up to 71.3 cubic feet of cargo space when the rear seats are folded down. It's designed for both comfort and practicality. Safety is paramount in the Nautilus. Every model comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even a 4-year subscription to Lincoln's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system. You can drive with peace of mind, knowing that safety is a top priority. Technology enthusiasts will love the standard 11.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Upgrade to the Reserve trim for a premium 28-speaker Revel sound system and Lincoln Rejuvenate, a cabin sensory system that enhances your driving experience based on your mood. Each trim level offers unique features. The Premier includes a leatherette interior and a 48-inch display, while the Reserve adds genuine leather and 21-inch wheels. The top-tier Black Label offers exclusive design themes and concierge services for a truly bespoke experience. So there you have it! The 2025 Lincoln Nautilus is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and technology. Which feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive updates. Thanks for watching!